I'm Trevor, the tillage product manager with Versatile, and we're here today to talk about one-pass high-speed tillage and the Versatile Fury. High-speed tillage has gained considerable interest in recent years because it's simply more productive. Growers can cover more acres in less time. The Fury is a one-pass dual-purpose tillage tool. It's capable of primary tillage after harvest and seedbed preparation or finishing work ahead of planting. The Fury cuts, chops, and sizes the residue and mixes it into the top 2.5 to 5 inches of soil. This promotes decomposition of the residue while minimizing the possibility of water or wind erosion because the residue is fixed into the soil. The Versatile Fury is engineered to offer maximum flexibility and performance in a wide variety of field residue and moisture conditions. So in the spring, it'll open up the ground to loosen, dry, and warm the soil and prepare that seedbed prior to planting. Or in the fall, it's going to penetrate into hard ground and manage heavy residue after harvest. The Fury is designed to be pulled at field speeds of anywhere from 8 to 12 miles an hour, and it's going to need 8 to 12 drawbar horsepower per foot, depending of course on your terrain, residue and moisture conditions, and your depth of cut. Now, legendary versatile construction means maximum performance over the lifetime of the implement. So what we mean by that is that this machine weighs in the 850 pounds to the foot class, and it's designed to be durable, reliable, easy to set up, adjust, and operate and maintain. For an example, with the standard cage roller, there's only 10 grease points on the entire machine. So the frame, your front to back structural members are 8x4 by half wall tubing, and your cross members are 6x4 by half wall tubing. We've also designed it to be low profile, compact transport dimensions. It's less than 12 feet wide in transport and just under 13.6 high, so it's among the best in the industry. That results in a safe, highly maneuverable machine that's easier and safer to move on public roads, in and out of narrow field access points, and then back into your storage shed. Each blade is mounted on an independent arm, and each blade mounting arm is engineered with a compound angle that results in excellent penetration into hard ground, and the machine will manage difficult residue aggressively. Each arm is rubber torsion mounted, so every blade will follow the ground contour precisely. Versatile uses shallow concavity notch blades standard equipment on the front because they penetrate the ground very effectively and capture and size tough residue. Smooth blades are standard equipment on the rear, with notch blades being optional. The bearings that we've chosen for the Fury are Pier Till Extreme bearings. They're a maintenance-free double roller bearing assembly on a heavy-duty hub. These things have been proven through years of R&D and testing, and they feature advanced seal technology which ensures optional performance in wet or dry or abrasive soil conditions. The Fury has been designed with a full float frame design in mind. That means the entire frame is designed to flex and float across the width of the machine and front to back, so it'll follow ground contours in rolling or uneven terrain effectively while maintaining consistent working depth. The wing sections can work independently from the mainframe, and the narrow mainframe design provides the flexibility to handle terraces, incline slopes, ruts, or washouts. This fully floating design, combined with the independent torsion-mounted blades, helps to maintain and produce a consistent, uniform field finish in the most challenging ground conditions. We've put a hydraulic jack on the Fury. The oversized jack footprint is centered on the hitch, and it provides excellent balance and stability in any ground conditions. And combined with the Category 4 or Category 5 pintle, the Fury can be connected to any tractor drawbar height. And then on the back of the machine, you've got a choice of finishing attachments. The heavy-duty cage roller is standard equipment, and it provides additional cultivation action. It works best in dry, non-sticky field conditions. The cage roller does an excellent job of breaking up lumps and firms up the seedbed in a single pass with moderate residue consolidation. It has solid 1.5-inch round steel bars to provide the strength and weight to pulverize lumps of soil, and yet will withstand impact force from rocks or other obstructions in the field. The optional rear finishing attachments first are the corrugated rubber roller. They offer great performance in wet or sticky soil conditions. We also offer a spring flex roller, and what that is individual spring steel elements vibrate and flex as the Fury moves through the field, which means they excel in wet, sticky, or rocky conditions. The Fury is an extremely effective one-pass high-speed tillage tool that excels at residue management and a great field finish in the most demanding conditions. And because farmers and growers are always looking for ways to improve productivity, at 8 to 12 miles an hour, the Fury makes short work of your most demanding tillage jobs. Its slim, compact transport dimensions make it easy to move it from field to field and then back into your storage building. And the choice of blade sizes and the different rear finishing attachments means that you can configure the Fury to manage your local ground conditions.